So let's do a little more. So okay, so we continue with the blessing. So we finished Birchos HaTorah. Okay, so Birchos HaShachar, right? Birchos HaShachar. We call this small one line, these blessings, and one big paragraph. Okay. So let's see. Birchos HaShachar is comprised of 15 brachas, thanking Hashem for what He gives us each day. Women certainly are permitted to say these brachas. The question is if they are required to do so. Although it is preferable to recite these brachas before 4 halachic hours on the midday, into the day, called Zman Tefillah, or until Chatzos, one who relies on opinion that they can be said all day, even until one goes to sleep, should not be prevented from reciting them. If the mitzvah to daven is then not mitzvah asay, they spell in English they say Hebrew with English. So sorry. So one more time. Mitzvah asay sha'atz man grama. A positive mitzvah that is governed by time. Women should be obligated to recite them. Okay. So let's read this one more time, and we're going to explain. Okay. This paragraph again, and line by line, we're going to explain. Birchos HaShachar comprises 15 brachas, thanking Hashem for each day. For men, it's obligated. For women, not according to all of the opinions. So basically, and for men, it's properly to say it like in the morning. Right? Women certainly are permitted to say this bracha. So when it says permitted, meaning that they're not obligated. Birchos HaTorah, it's a different story. But here, this morning blessing, no obligation. The question is if they are required to do so. Okay? So as we said, permitted and required, two different things. Men are required. Although it is preferable to recite these brachas before 4 hours into the day. So 4 hours into the day, it says the shacharis is proper to finish your shacharis for a man, right? Until up to 4 hours into the day. So if you check your application, so I'm using, and I recommend everybody using to use myzmanim.com. myzmanim.com. They have application you can install on your phone, and it's amazing. You can allow themselves to track you. So wherever you are, they're going to give you all of these halachic times. What is first time, for example, you will, for a man, you're allowed to put tefillin and talis, right? What is the first time for Shema, for Shmona Esrei and stuff like that? What is the latest Shema? What is the latest Shmona Esrei? Right? Shmona Esrei is Shacharis, right? What is the last time for Shacharis? So according to our Shulchan Aruch, it says daven Shacharis by 4th hour of the day. So, but there is opinion, and if needed, I'm not sure he's going to. I'm sure that he's not going to get all of the reward. But if needed, there is some opinion, lenient opinion, that he can even doubt until Chatzos, meaning until the midday. So this is 4 hours. So meaning this lenient opinion gives a person another 2 hours. Okay. Okay. Okay, but since she's not obligated to begin with, right? There is no such obligation for a woman, so she can say this blessing whole day, even as I say, until she goes to sleep. Okay, so I mean it's proper to do it in the morning. They're not very long; they take only a few minutes, but in the present circumstances, as we said, she can say it later on. Okay, and the reason is that a woman is not obligated, as we said in the last sentence, because the prayers prayers and mitzvahs that bind by time, right? As we said, fourth hour. So that's already like restriction. So all of the restrictions. So our Hashem said, so the main purpose of the woman is be a helper to her husband, right? To go up in his spiritual level, and she, of course, she goes with him, right? And take care of the kids. So if her primary role to take care of the kids, so she does not have time to all of these other extra things. Okay, so he's obligated. The husband is obligated, but she's not, right? So, but if she wants, so she has the whole day. Continue. Additionally, the concept of thanking Hashem for all we have applies to women as well, and therefore women are similarly obligated to say the brachas every day. So one more time, similarly obligated, but the way I understand, all of the women say these blessings. Again, it takes only a few minutes.